I'm Samantha Embry. I've been working at CHEMetrics for just over 3 years, and I am the Assembly Process and Product Support Administrator. Everything we do here, we do it right. So when we get an order out here in the shipping department that's for China or Japan, somewhere in Europe, it's pretty eye-opening to us as employees here at CHEMetrics that, wow, we have such a big impact in the world. And it starts with manufacturing, and they make a great product, and then customer service takes the orders come out to shipping, and then we pack them up and get them out. We are the last stop that the product makes before it reaches the customer, and we strive to always get products to customers that are working and that are going to work well and that are effective. So that's something to take pride in, because I think we do that very well.